Okay, we're here working on our nutshell Pram, excuse me, and here's just a real quick video about getting a bevel for the quarter knee. Depends on how you want to orient your quarter knee. If you want it to go, say, stay parallel to the water line, go straight across the transom, then that's going to be one angle. But if you decide you want it to raise up and go up towards the top of the transom, there's quite a bit of difference in the angle there. So we want ours to rise up a little bit, so we're going to take it, put that over there. We're just kind of eyeballing to see where it would come up and touch that transom, and that's going to get us in the ballpark for where we want to be for shaping. So what we'll do next is we'll keep this angle on the little bevel gauge, and I'll carefully store it right there in a highly secure location, and then spin you back up, and we'll walk over here and we'll get this other quarter knee. This is going to be for the bow. Gonna go up here, and you can kind of see what I'm talking about. Over there, there's some kind of little. We're gonna have it come up. Let me get it oriented correctly. And touch the top of the transom right there. We still got a little more trimming to do on it, so that it comes down. Actually, there's showing a little gap there, but once we put screws in, that's going to take that out. So it's going to come up, and we're going to have it touch the top of the transom like that. Or as I said, your other option might be to run it parallel. See if I can get that. And if you did that, it'd be quite a different angle or bevel that you put on there. So we're gonna put ours like this, and attach it with thickened epoxy and some silicone bronze screws. Spin it back around. Parts and bits have been showing up for the boat. We've got the rudder fittings, pintles, gudgeons from Wooden Boat. We've got some Morlocks. And what we're going to use this piece for is not to get bevels and angles off of it, but we're going to take it over here to the shrinking piece of mahogany. And we're going to lay that down on there just to get the basic length from what's running up the gunnel, and then how far in it's going to come on the transom. You can kind of get them matched up, but obviously this angle here is going to be different, and the bevels are going to be different. So now I'm going to pick up my bevel gauge that I dropped and go get the bevel off the stern transom again, and start turning some more mahogany into sawdust.